Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can download CapCut for PC for free. It's super easy to do. So first of all, you need to go onto your browser and search CapCut.com, and then you can see here it's available on the Video Online, meaning that you can do it directly from the browser or you can download to your Windows computer. And to download it, you need to click to download for Windows. And as you can see down here, now it's downloading. It takes about 30 seconds depending on your Wi-Fi. I'm gonna be back when it's done downloading. And now it's done downloading. Then you just click it and then the installation progress will begin. Alright, and now that you have clicked on the installation progress, you just need to click I agree and then click install now. And as you can see here, now it's installing. And now when it's done downloading and installing, you just need to click start now. And then the program will open up. As you can see here, testing environment. This just needs to go around for a couple minutes. And as you can see here, my graphic driver needs to be updated before I can do this. I can either upgrade the driver or don't remind me again. I'm just gonna click don't remind me. And now it's gonna open like this, and then you can just click new project up here. You can sign in if you want to do that, and you can install the beta version if you want to do that. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!